Jamaica Watson.
Welcome to my new home. Hi everyone, welcome to my bedroom. Take a stroll with me. Well, this is my 3D bedroom. It was created given by the housing program. Look at it, lovely, cool and nice. Okay, I'll take you to another place. This is what I love the most. This is my bathroom, restroom. You can have a good look, great design, uptown style, all around. And look again, here is another room. This room belongs to my grandson. Deshaun, really can come in and take a close look. It's great, it's wonderful. It was done by the housing program. It was given to me by the government. I like it, I love it. I'm so grateful for it, people. Wow, take a look at my kitchen right here. This is my kitchen. Oh, I'm not going to turn the water on. You see, the cupboard is a lovely, great job done by great people.